In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F56 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Settings and clicking on Connections. Then select More Connection Settings. Click on Printing over here and either select the footprint service right away or tap on Download plugin and install the best one for your printer. It will appear in the same settings. Over here, wherever you decided, tap on your print service and make sure the switcher is blue. Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. If you still can't connect for some reason, access the footprint service. Click on those three dots at the top right corner and hit Add Printer. Now you can add it thanks to IP address that you need to input over here after tapping on Add Printer by IP address. When it's ready, hit Add. Last but not least, you can also use this switcher next to Wi-Fi direct pairing to enable or disable this feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!